The governorship candidate of the Labour Party in the September 21 Edo election, Barrister Olumide Akpata, has promised to revamp the health sector by providing a solar-powered primary health care center in every of the 192 wards in Edo State, as well as improve the remuneration of medical practitioners in the state if elected as governor. He stated this during an interactive session with the Nigerian Medical Association Edo State Chapter. The report is presented by Best Orator.
The Nigerian Medical Association Edo State Chapter held an interactive section with the Labour Party gubernatorial candidate Barrister Olumide Akpata. The event, which was tagged A Date with Olumide Akpata with the topic Agenda for Healthcare in the Next Dispensation, held at the Doctor's House, Guber, Benin City. The meeting had in attendance the immediate past president of the World Medical Association, Dr. Osaho Enabulele, the chairman, Nigerian Medical Association Edo State Chapter, Dr. Udoka Imwesili, former past chairman of the association, Dr. Phyllis Iyamu, amongst others. Barrister Olumide Akpata was at the interactive session with his deputy, Prince Yusuf Asama Kadiri SAN, the honorable member representing Edo West constituency at the Edo State House of Assembly, Dr. Edosa Richard Usaro, amongst others. The host and chairman of the Nigerian Medical Association Edo State Chapter, Dr. Udoka Imwesili, in her opening remarks, described the health of Edo citizens as very important to them, and as doctors, they would want to hear the plans of the incoming government to know how important the health of Edo State to the next administration, hence the interactive section with the Labour Party gubernatorial candidate, Barrister Olumide Akpata.
The health of Edo State citizens is so important to us as doctors. And we have decided that before we cast our votes, we should hear the plans and the vision of those who are envisioning to lead us in the state. At the end of the day, you make up your mind to see if the health of Edo State can be piloted by him.
Speaking to the issues, the Labour Party flag bearer Olumide Akpata appreciated the doctors for all their contributions and sacrifices for the health needs of Edo people, adding that he would not be where he is today if not for the services of doctors. He said he joined the Labour Party because the party is one whose objectives, mission and vision aligns with his will to carry the people along in governance. Akpata noted that top of his agenda for Edo people would be to revitalize the public healthcare system and make healthcare affordable for everyone regardless of status.
I am particular about health because speaking to you doctors, I need to let you know my mindset when we talk about healthcare. Doctors, I will not build a museum in Edo State if I have 16 billion naira a month. I won't. Worse still, I will not knock down the hospital to build a museum. I won't do it. My assurance that I give to you, the medical community, the doctors community today, is that we will replicate same in Edo and even do better because I don't know the carry last anyways. So we are not going to be behind Abia, we're going to be ahead of Abia.
He assured the medical community that he will work closely with them to replicate and make Edo Health Sector great again, stating that health is a human right and one cannot deprive the people of good health care services. He stated his plans in the health sector, some of which will be providing solar-powered primary health care centers in every ward of the 192 across the state, partnership with private practitioners so as to tackle staffing and improve the remuneration of medical practitioners to eradicate the overflow of doctors traveling overseas, and noted that once that is done, majority of health issues will be dealt with at the grassroots before it becomes a major concern.
Thankfully, the Barr administration was able to superintend the process of constitutional amendment that now puts electricity supply in the concurrent list so the state governments can be players in the sector. We will not do big plants, 2 megawatts, come to Ugbo, 5 megawatts here, just to power up our environment.
The meeting followed closely with an interactive session where doctors and persons present asked salient questions on grey areas, and answers were gotten satisfactorily as the doctor admires the eloquence of Barrister Olumide Akpata.
I mentioned to you that I was hoping that we can get doctors from the NYSC program, nurses and so on and so forth. I'm hoping that the private medical doctors will join us in that effort. We will negotiate, we will discuss. I already told you that we're not going to increase taxes across the board. It is not our intention to do that, so you can be sure that we don't intend to come to you to increase. I hear that right now anything that moves can get taxed. So I don't know what is good, but we have the intention of punitive taxation.
In a closing remark, Barrister Olumide Akpata added that the upcoming election is a referendum of what the people want. He said it will be a time to move from the old order and promised to bring a real light and a positive change to the state if elected. The event ended on a positive note as the doctors commended the Labour Party gubernatorial candidate Barrister Olumide Akpata for honouring their invitation as well as answering all their questions with a promise to provide solutions to their concerns in the health sector, among others. Best Orator reporting for BTV News.